Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about topic lab activity. Now start lab activity. Okay, lab activity very important in 4 marks question. First one, aim to show that the ratio V by I is a constant for a conductor. V is a potential difference. I means electric current. Okay, V by I is a constant. Next one, material required. First one, 5 dry cells of 1.5 volt. It's next one, conducting wires. Next one, an ammeter. Current can be measured ammeter. Next one, voltmeter. Potential difference can be measured voltmeter. Next one, thin iron spoke of length 10 centimeters. Iron spoke length 10 centimeters. Next, plug key. This is materials. Procedure. First one, take a battery. Battery negative terminal to ammeter positive terminal. Next one, ammeter negative terminal to plug key connection. Plug key connection to iron spoke. Iron spoke. This is a length 10 centimeters. Next one, iron spoke connection to battery positive terminal. Battery positive terminal. Next, iron spoke. First point, iron spoke connection to voltmeter positive connection. Voltmeter negative connection to iron spoke end of the point. This circuit connection completed. How many materials is there? 6 materials is there. First one, battery. Second one, ammeter. Third one, plug key. Fourth one, connecting wires. Fifth one, voltmeter. Sixth one, iron spoke 10 centimeters. Connect a circuit as shown in figure. The conducting wires to the ends of the iron spoke. Close the key. Close the key. Note the reading of current from ammeter and potential difference from voltmeter. In a table, first one, serial number. This is a first column. Next one, potential difference in volt. This is a second column. And third column, current in I. And fourth one, V by I is a constant. Is a constant. Is a constant. This is a fourth column. See the table column. See the table column. first one, serial number 1, you see the diagram. I am taken only one cell. One cell value, how much voltage value? 1.5. 1.5 volt. Okay, see the table column. Okay, voltmeter value 1.5. Okay, current value exactly 0.6. Okay, voltmeter value 1.5 by 0.6 is equal to 2.5. This is a first value. See the diagram. Now connect to two cells in series of one cell in the circuit. Okay, two cells, how much voltage? 3 voltage. Note the respective reading of the ammeter and voltmeter and record the values in table. Okay, see the table. Serial number 2. Okay, voltmeter value 3. Current value 1.2. Okay, now V by I 3 by 1.2 is equal to 2.5. Okay, V by I value 2.5. This is a second value. See the diagram. Now connect 3 cells in series of one cell in the circuit. Note the respective reading of the ammeter and voltmeter and record the values in table. See the table, serial number 3. Okay, I am taken 3 cells. How many voltage? 4.5. Exactly current value, measure the ammeter 1.8. Next column V by I 4.5 by 1.8 is equal to 2.5. This is a third value, 2.5. Record the values of potential difference and current I corresponding to each case in the table. Find V by I for each set of values. The ratio V by I is a constant. Okay, serial number 1, first value how much? 2.5. Serial number 2, first value what? 2.5. Third value also 2.5. Okay, V by I is a constant. Okay, mathematically as V directly proportional to I at a constant temperature. Next after that, V by I is equal to constant. Note, constant is a resistance of the conductor. V by I is equal to R. Okay, conclusion, Ohm's law is verified. Thank you, students. Today completed lab activity. this question to verify Ohm's law or to show that V by I is equal to constant. Thank you, students.